So I'll be showing you all how I installed my mini braids myself, how I went from this to this. Yep, stick to the end. So I started off on a freshly washed and well moisturized hair. I washed my hair a day before and I also moisturized it a day before. And guys, this is what my hair looks like. If you see it very well, you will know that this hair is actually moisturized. So the first step I took is to section my hair. I sectioned my hair into 8 parts, and sectioning my hair usually helps me a lot because it's easier for me to walk through, because from these sections I'll be able to bring out my other lines and parts. You can section your hair either in 4 parts, 8, 10, whichever one works for you is fine. So guys, I also had to put the hair in a bantu knot so I will see the lines properly, and I will be starting off with this part of my hair. For you to know that I am doing this myself and I am not a witch. The parts are not really so clear from now, but don't worry. This is the part where I start lining my hair, and guys, I do this off camera, then I come to check on my phone because I don't have a mirror here. I don't have that mirror that can show you the back, the front, the side of your hair. So I just use my phone basically to show me the lines. So yes, this is the first part. And then guys, if you're just learning how to braid your hair, make sure you cut out 3 equal parts and then you start intertwining them. I'm sure you can see the movement of my fingers. This will help you. That is if you're just learning how to braid your hair. Just take close attention. I've always been a fan of mini braids. Yes, if you've been my subscriber for a while now, you will know that this is my best protective style. This hairstyle has really helped my hair in terms of length retention. Yes, it has really helped me retain so much length. I usually make different sizes of braids, but this size is actually mini and I usually take this hairstyle for 1 month. Max is 2 months, but the least is a month. Guys, it is really important for you to know that even when you are in this protective style, you will need to take care of your hair. You will not just install your mini braids and just expect it to just retain length for you without you moisturizing it, without you washing it, without you deep conditioning it, without you oiling your scalp and all. No, you wouldn't do that. That is not how it is done. Even in this protective style, you will need to take care of your strands and your scalp. Really important. Your hair grows from your scalp. You will need scalp care and also strands care. I hope you understand. So guys, this is what it looks like, and can you see we're making progress? Just stick around and see how it's going to come out. And guys, if you still do not know how to make your hair, this is the reason why I am even making this video, because I am sure that some people will learn from this. Please help me push out this video. It needs to go viral. I started making this hair in the evening, let's say around 4 o'clock or after 4, and I knew definitely that I will not be able to finish on that day because I also have other things to do. I needed to take a break. And yes guys, as you can see, the place is already getting dark, so I had to use my ring lights at this point. As you can see, this is how far I have gone, and then this is the part where I start cutting out the other side of the hair lining it. So this is how far I have gone. So guys, this was the next day. I stopped making the hair like around 6:30 and I had to do other things and go to bed. So this is the next day, and I started off by making the front part of the hair. And I was so sure that I will finish this hair today, even though I started by 12:30 p.m. on the dot. So guys, this is the last braid. Yes, finally I finished around 5 or after 5, let's say 10 minutes after 5 or so. Yes, and guys, I'll tell you that this is not too easy and not too stressful. Yes, and guys, please do well to like, share to a lot of people, because this may help a lot of people. So please help me share, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You will be getting a lot of hair care tips. Yes, legit hair care tips, not those tips that are all lies. No. And you get to see how I take care of my hair in this protective style. You get to learn a lot. So guys, this is it. We are done. I tried. Yes, I did. It is so beautiful for me to do this myself. Yes, I tried. this is what it looks like in daylight. It is so beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.